In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Last Sea survival shooter like a pro. So for this, you can just head over and then try to eliminate zombies that we currently have right here. With this, you can actually add people onto your arsenal and also upgrade your weapons altogether. So we have in here these weapons and it will help us boost our power and also win like a pro right here. So the key is to getting more weapons, getting more people, thereby increasing your actual firepower and eliminating a lot of zombies through this particular method. So as a pro, if you have this particular instance, you can head over and then just try to go over under the middle and then get some help using these options. As you can see, this is just as easy as that, and you can see that I am already upgrading weapons and already upgrading troops, which will give me victory. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.